If anyone kills me, it's Wandy or Else or Din, okay? It's one of those three.
No.
Why are all the doors closed?
Why?
I don't like this.
Oh, this is so weird. I've been
You
playing
know why you did.
time.
I mean, you'd kill me. So.
Of course I'd kill you. Could you kill me?
Wow. Wandy, can you honk the horn? Honk the horn.
How do I honk the horn?
Oh,
What?
Because in that task
You can honk the horn.
I didn't know you could do that.
Aw, dang it.
Oh, I
You
can't
can
use it
honk the
anymore.
horn.
Oh, by the way, I'm super laggy, but...
Uh-oh.
Harry with Wandy.
Wait, no! I'm in the shower. I'm in the shower.
Harry, what's your obsession with the
No. I really don't.
Wait, is
Oh my
somebody
gosh.
Loki?
No.
Oh yeah,
You know,
Loki.
I'm
That's
looking.
Eva.
Eva is
Eva is
Loki.
Loki.
Yes.
Gotcha.
Alright, what happened?
Where did you find the body?
I hate this. It was in the main hall area, and I have to say, I think it's Else, because I saw her running from that area.
No, I was not.
I mean, I so
I swear.
Oh, no.
I was with Din. I contest
What do
this.
you
I was
mean
with
me? I
Din
was
and I
not-
could have killed her.
Me?
Yes, I was with you.
I
in
could
the-
be.
What? I'm pretty sure
It
you
could
were
be
with
my
Mary.
game. My game is very laggy.
Because I went down to...
My game is quite laggy, unfortunately. But yeah, my game's a little bit laggy probably, but I don't know. I'm voting Else.
Okay.
No, it's me, Din.
Oh, man.
You're trying to sus me,
No,
and
I swear,
not.
I went
You
down.
were-
I went down to the kitchen, and it was on my way to electrical or something. I don't know what you're talking about. You went with Mary to the top.
No, do not lie.
No, I'm not
I don't-
lying. That's
I don't
what
know whether this-
saw.
I was at the top.
I don't
No,
know what
I'm
it is.
serious, that's what I
Never
saw.
wrote-
You murdered me.
Oh, dang it.
Booyah.
Oh, why?
What?
Why?
This is not good.
Oh
No!
my gosh.
Wait, the door is locked.
You mean the door is locked.
Ah!
We're
Open
stuck
the
in
door.
here. Oh my gosh, we're stuck in here.
I
Panic.
can't
We're
open the door.
panicking.
Never mind. I take it back. I can't open the door. Ta-da!
No. Oh.
We are so good.
Oh.
We are so good.
Jane was like, oh my god, Wandy, honk the horn, honk the horn. And I'm like, oh, I guess she's not an imposter, because why isn't she killing me? And then, like, I run out and she kills me.
I'm sure.